In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva Pro account. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating stunning designs, whether it's for social media, presentations, or personal projects. Upgrading to a Pro account unlocks a world of advanced features that can really enhance your creative process. So, let's get started on how you can easily set up your Canva Pro account. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to Canva's homepage. You can simply type in canva.com in the address bar and it should take you directly there. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to explore the features if you're new to Canva. Now, to proceed with creating a Pro account, you'll need to look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with several options. In the menu, you'll see an option labeled Plans and Pricing. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can compare the different plans Canva offers and see the benefits of upgrading to Pro. After clicking, you'll be directed to a page that outlines all the features and benefits of each plan. Pay close attention to this because it will help you understand what you're getting with the Pro account, such as access to premium templates, images, and various design tools that can significantly streamline your workflow. Next, you need to click on the Pro option. This is typically highlighted, indicating it's the next step in upgrading your account. Clicking on Pro will guide you through the process of selecting your preferred subscription plan. Canva often offers monthly and annual plans, so you can choose one that best fits your needs and budget. An annual plan might be more economical in the long run if you plan on using Canva extensively. After selecting your plan, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Canva accepts various forms of payment, so choose the one most convenient for you. Make sure your payment information is correct to avoid any issues with your subscription. Once your payment is processed, congratulations! You now have access to Canva Pro. You can start exploring all the premium features that come with it. From exclusive content to advanced editing tools, Canva Pro will elevate your design projects to a whole new level. Remember, if at any point you need assistance or want to explore specific features, Canva's Help Center is a great resource filled with guides and tips. Enjoy your new Canva Pro account and happy designing.